Welcome guys to another video. In this video tutorial we'll be learning how to add AdSense or payment method to AdSense. So I'll just be scrolling over to locate my Chrome browser application, and this is my Google AdSense. As you can see right here, AdSense for YouTube, and I basically want to add my payment. So I'll be heading over to my payment section, click on payment info, then we're going to wait for it to load. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see there, I have my transaction, how you get paid, and the settings. So let's just click on how you get paid. That's the manage area. So the next is, you can see I already have a bank account there, bank detail there. So, and it's my primary bank where I receive all my funds. So you can decide to add another payment method that is separate from your primary own. So primary is where YouTube or AdSense will send the money to. So I'm going to click on add another payment method. So we have two basic methods here. We have the wire transfer method, then we have the check method. So you can add your wire. So I prefer to use the wire method. The check is a little bit more complicated and a little bit different. We'll speak later, but as for me, I'm going to talk about adding a wire transfer. So I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to click on next. So you can see this list here. We have a list like this, and we have to fill in all details here in this list. So we are going to enter the name of the bank account. Then I'm going to go over to where I have everything saved. So I'm copying my name there. That's Udo Don Daniel. So I'm going to copy this. You can as well type it straight from there. I just kept my resources down, so I'm going to type my name there. That's Udo Don Daniel. Then you can leave the beneficiary ID since it's optional. The next thing to do is to click on the next steps. I'm going to go here to copy this, the name of my bank, Access Bank Nigeria. So this is Access Bank Nigeria. I'll just be going back to my Google Chrome to paste this here, Access Bank. Then let's type in Nigeria. So Nigeria. So next is your Swift BIC. So what is Swift BIC? It's a bank code for each different banks and unique banks. So I have this website here where you can get Swift codes, and the name of the website is bank.code. So then you can go ahead to the Swift code, then you can pick out the country you want. So this is the website. I'll be dropping the link in the description. So from home you head over to Swift code, then you can go search by country. I'm going to click on my search by country, and I'll try to locate the country I'm from. So I'm from Nigeria. Whatever country you are from, look for it. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to be clicking Nigeria here. Then the next thing to do is to locate the bank I want to do. So this is the bank here, Access Bank PLC. So it is basically Access Bank PLC. You can see we have other different banks here in the same thing. We have a lot of banks here, 50 and more other in the list. So you have everything here. So the next thing for me to do is just to copy my code. This is my Access Bank. So I just have to copy this and go ahead to paste it there in my Google AdSense. So I'm going to be copying this. Click on this. The next is to click on this copy option there, right next to it, so you can see it there. So I'll copy this. I'm going to head over straight back to my Adstera link, and I'm going to paste this there. So the next thing to do is to type in your account number. I have my account number there in my Microsoft Word area, so I'm going to copy this, Control C. So remember, you have to get a domiciliary account, a dollar account, to make payments. You can't use any other type of account. You have to get a dollar account to get payments. Then you can decide to set this as your primary payments method, but as for me, I prefer the other bank method that was there. So the meaning of the primary payment method is where YouTube is going to send the money to automatically. So you can decide to tick this box if you want that. You can decide to untick it. So I'll basically untick this box because I have this, and click on save. So you can see I'm going to wait for this to load. Then you can see I've added a bank payment method here on my Adstera. So this is successful, and if you learned something here today, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.